You'll never catch me with the phone to my ears like this. And just as I demonstrated that my phone is on flight mode and the Wi-Fi is not connected and mobile data is not connected, I generally feel like there's just too much radiation in this world, and I actively try to reduce the amount of radiation that I expose my body to. I don't put my phones in my pocket. I try to protect my reproductive system because radiation is no good for it. I find that you're technically burning your cells because it radiates through your skin. If I'm going to work and I forget my earphones one day, I don't talk. If my phone cannot be on loudspeaker as I'm talking to you like this, we're not having a conversation. I can't pick up the phone. And then at night, I completely switch my phone off. If there's something I need a double alarm for whatever reason, I will turn off everything from the mobile data, the Wi-Fi, and then put it on flight mode. I switch it all off just so I'm not getting any radiation. Generally at night, my Wi-Fi gets switched off. I don't want, as we're sleeping, our body is just receiving radiation. They try to come, the water company tried to come and change my meter. I'm like, what kind of meter are you putting in here? Oh, a smart meter. Nah, I don't want a smart meter. And do you know the problem with the smart meters? The smart meters is, so instead of them coming to your property to look at your meter to take the reading, they can be at the top of the road. They don't even have to come to your house and they can read your machine. So imagine constantly there's radiation being emitted constantly from your home. So me, I don't want that headache. I tell them I've got sensitivities to electromagnetic field, so I cannot have a smart meter. You need to come and give me an analog meter. And they do, and they charge me $10 on top of what I'm paying already just for that. Okay, charge me. I'm not exposing myself to any more radiation than I have to. So I say no. I don't use earbuds. Earbuds have never been in these ears ever in my life. I don't use them because I use wired earphones. That I like because the communication is coming from the earphones and going into your ears, right? That's how it works. With the earbuds, I feel like it's radiating through your brain, and I just can't do that. I can't do that. My kids aren't allowed. My son rebels sometimes and he will use it slightly, but whatever. But I refuse to put earbuds in my ears. I don't do it. And when you're on the phone, especially, the amount of radiation coming into your phone just increases. So, because obviously to hold that call and allow you to complete that call, it needs strong signal. So it sends out strong signal, is receiving it, it's trying, better connections somewhere, let's keep trying. And that's just what it does. So if I had a machine now and I've gone on a phone call and I put it right there, it would be high, very, 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 very high compared to if my phone is just like this without a call coming through.